Hello guys, welcome. In this video, let's see how to run the option in College Football 25 in the easiest way. Before getting into the video, I am on journey to reach 5,000 subs at the earliest, so it will help me bring you more tutorials like this. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. To run the option in College Football 25 effectively, focus on these key strategies. Understand the basics of the option offense. The option offense is designed to create mismatches by forcing defenders to make quick decisions. It typically involves a quarterback, running backs, and sometimes a fullback. The quarterback reads the defense to decide whether to hand off the ball, keep it, or pitch it to a trailing back. Quarterback decision making. The quarterback's ability to read the defense is crucial. He must quickly assess whether to hand off, keep, or pitch the ball based on the alignment and movement of defenders. This read is often made on the fly during the play. Blocking schemes. Effective blocking is essential. Offensive linemen need to understand their assignments, which often change based on the defensive look. They should focus on creating running lanes for the ball carrier and protecting the quarterback. Backfield motion. Utilize motion to create confusion in the defense. This can involve running backs moving before the snap to influence defensive alignment and create mismatches. Practice timing and execution. Timing is critical in the option offense. Repeated drills focusing on the handoff, pitch, and quarterback reads will help players execute plays smoothly under pressure. Defensive adjustments. Be prepared for defenses that adjust to stop the option. This may involve changing the point of attack or altering the blocking schemes to counteract defensive strategies. By focusing on these elements, teams can effectively implement and run the option offense in College Football 25, maximizing their chances for success on the field.